Guys, we're back with the Ford. We got the body work done on top. We got the panoramic sitting right here. We're gonna go ahead and install the panoramic so that way we can start our wiring and our drain tubes install. Alright guys, check it out. Here is the F250 headliner, wrapped in suede. We got the roof installed. Let's check it out. Alright guys, we're back on the 250. We got the Titan window brace. We got that molded in, welded and molded. So you can see the body work we're doing around it. So the Titan window is going to actually just fit right in. There's the inside. Panoramic. Got it all powered up. Headliner is ready to install. We just finished up also. I gotta get a pigtail for this, for the fuse. And we just installed the Titan window button, which we made it fit OEM to that switch right there. Now if you notice, this is a F250 gas, but they did a conversion in it. We did a platinum conversion. Dash conversion. The seats, we got the rear seats in the back of my house. We'll go ahead and install the console and a power inverter. He's gonna end up putting TVs for his kids. So all we have left is the body work around the frame. We'll install the window. Titan windows over there, ready to go. And we're getting closer. We're going to see if we're going to try to finish it up by today. Today's Friday. Everything's looking good. And I believe this is a 2010 F250 gas. But it's going to be one of the first ones with a Titan window. Yes, a Ford with a Titan window. Electric slide down. And the way you do this is you have to actually cut out the frame from the Nissan truck where this bolts onto, or use a Chevy frame, which we used a Chevy frame. I couldn't find a Titan frame, but if you want to use a Nissan Titan frame, then you don't need this. You don't have to use this gasket that I offer. You can just bolt it right in, but I couldn't find the frame, so I used a Chevy frame and used the gasket with the Chevy frame. And once we finish the body work, it's gonna look real good. So this will be a first that I know of here in Albuquerque with a Ford F250 with the Nissan Titan window. Only here at Rob's Customs. Alright guys, here she is, body work done. All the way around. There's the panoramic. A lot of work goes into this, putting this bracket in. But it looks good. Check it out guys. Came all badass. Besides some cleanup we gotta do there on the urethane. Looks OEM. Alright guys, 350 F250 is done. First one in New Mexico, Titan window. You want a Titan window? Get at me, Rob's Customs. We'll get you done. Check it out.